Hi there, this is Lisa, and in this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of these Barks Classroom headphones. This is a select model perfect for classroom use. In the box, you'll find 10 headphones, each individually bagged. I'm rather impressed with the strong bulk packaging, which makes it easy to put together and set up a class set. The headphones themselves are well made, durable, strong, and they sound quite good actually. The flat wire helps to avoid tangles, and the connections at the speaker and plug seem extra sturdy. These are wired headphones with a 3.5mm L plug and are compatible with any regular headphone jack. Great for use with laptops, tablets, PCs, and listening centers. They also come with one of the best guarantees that I've seen in a while, a limited lifetime warranty that covers any manufacturing issues or weak parts. If you're looking for classroom headphones, give the Barks brand a try today.